Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. So when I do that, and click on this little eye next to my password, I can check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!